Alright, what's up guys? Alright, so we're going to talk about getting wires through a ceiling. Let's say you don't have access to your attic, and let's say you're on the first floor and there's no space. You need to get a wire from one side of the house or one side of a room to another side of the room, and you don't want to break up all of the drywall in order to do it. As electricians, what you would do is you'd actually, most houses today are littered with recessed cans. That's good if you want to run wires, because then you have access all over the place. So basically your recessed cans are your ceiling joists are going to run back and forth, and you're going to have cans every, I don't know, 5 feet or something like that going all the way across. That's an access point and an opening every 5 feet that you can get to. So basically what you'll do is, I have the can open right now and I have it unscrewed. There are 3 screws, so, and they're quarter inch head. So if you take, this right here has a 1/4 inch head in it. You'll take that and you have 3 screws for this. So I'm gonna get this out because I have to set it up there. All right, so let me see that. All right, so you'll have a screw there, a screw there, and a screw on the other side. Here you go, Johnny. So basically what you'll do is you remove those 3 screws, drop it, and then all of a sudden all this can does, it drops right out. Now my trusses are running like this. I can go to the next can, to the next can, to the next can, take them out, and then just fish the wire across. Now, if you have to get your ceiling joist run this way, if you have to go to the next can on the other side, they make drill bits. Back up a little bit so they can see how long this is. They make drill bits that are this long and flexible. So what you do is you get to where you need to go, and if you have to go over to the next can, you'll slide this in, bend it, put your drill on the other end, drill through, and keep going until you get to they make them pretty long. Just make sure you're not rising up as you go, because you might go through your floor upstairs if that's the case. You have to make sure it's going in straight every single time. But that's basically, you have access throughout your entire house because of how we put in lights today. With these can lights, it doesn't matter where you need to go in the house, it's almost guaranteed you can get there just by taking out those cans.